This is a full-on disaster.
This is far worse than any of the market participants we've been speaking with had expected. Peter Bookvar, who's a strategist I follow, said, this current approach is going to literally freeze global trade. He also said the belief that a trade deficit is bad is completely flawed. That's how they calculated these things. They just looked at the trade deficit between the US and all these other countries in goods specifically, not even in services, which is something that we export much more of. And they cut it in half, and that's the tariff.
How do these countries actually retaliate? Are there discussions over the next week before most of the large tariffs are put in place? Is it unwound? That's just a looming question right now that no one knows the answer to, so I'm not sure you're going to see a lot of dip buying.
A lot of market participants have said they've been upset about the sequencing. The tariffs are coming first, but a lot of people still say, well, we still expect the deregulation. We still expect tax cuts to be coming. J.D. Vance, the vice president, this morning in an interview with Fox News saying tax cuts won't be a way to offset tariffs. Well, that's a pretty scary thing to say.
That's the problem here, guys, because you can't chart a path out of this. It's unclear when these tariffs lift. It's unclear how these tariffs will impact corporate profits in the fourth quarter of this year. So if you can't see your way through the fog, I mean, how do you invest?